In this video, I'm going to discuss best practices when sharing your Chromebook. When you log in to your Chromebook, you are logging in to your Google account or Google profile. Your Chrome profile handles all of your Chrome browser preferences, things like bookmarks, saved passwords, settings, and helps you get into all of your school accounts. When you're logged in on your Chromebook, under your Google Chrome account, you are logged into all of your personal resources. They're all connected to your passwords. That's why it's so important that we switch accounts when sharing our device. When you're ready to switch accounts on your Chromebook, you will navigate to the bottom right-hand corner where you see these symbols and click. Once you've clicked, you'll see the option to sign out. Once you have fully logged out of your Chromebook, you will be able to share your Chromebook with someone else. In this case, Shelby Webb and I have shared this Chromebook before, so Shelby would be able to click the drop-down, type in her password, and access her personal Chrome account. If there's someone in your home who needs to use your Chromebook but has not used your Chromebook in the past, they will click Add User, type in their More Public Schools email and their password. This will log them into their own personal account where they can access all of the resources that they need to complete their work and assignments.